Hello everyone. So there were many rumors regarding the NEET exam right now, which is going on. You can see that many students are opposing the NEET exam result. So finally, and you know that in social media it was trending that like many people were opposing, NT's decisions and questioning that. So finally, NT has released one press release which stating and all the issues which mentioned by the aspirants as well as other parents and teachers. Okay, so right now NTA has given some clarification regarding that. This was released on June 6th. Uh, there were many points, right? So the first of all, the concern was this year, cutoff is very high. So NTA is stating that the reason is this year we can see the number of students has increased. So that is the main reason cutoff has increased. So one of the most main question was compensatory marks. Many students were, got compensation marks. So NT is saying that there were loss of time for some. There were loss of time in some centers. Okay, so those students had reached the High Court, and finally they set up one committee. The committee decided to give marks for these students who faced the loss of time during NEET exam. So that was the highest controversial one. And NT is mentioning that around 1563 students got this grace mark, which is ranging from student who scored minus 20 to 720 marks, which mean all India rank 1. Even all India rank 1, some of the all India rank 1 students got grace marks. And we can see, this year we saw the marks like 718 and 719. Normally there will be 715 then 720, right? So some student got 718 and 790 because of the grace mark only, which given because of the reason that is a loss of time. Okay, so this was the one thing which they mentioned, but NTA clearly said that these marks or grace marks were given after checking the CCTV footage and confirmed that there were loss of time. So for compensating that only, they gave these many marks. But still is a question whether it is a right or not. Still, it is a question, and some students already started, questioning, and some started, reaching the court, by stating this, right? Okay. So another thing is like regarding toppers in NEET UG. There are total 67 candidates who got 720 out of 720. Out of this, we can see that uh, many students got compensatory mark in physics. Actually, if you take physics, one latest NCRT is saying one answer, but all the NCRT is saying different answer, right? So finally, the committee of a expert panel decided that they will be giving marks for both kind of student who attended either option in that specific question in physics. Okay, so that was the another one. And second another thing is declaration of result. Many people were saying that why NTA had when NTA released their uh, the result earlier, but NTA is saying we have some reason, so we declared it is as very normal. In that way they're talking. Okay, and most importantly, unfair means there were many cases like many students were saying NEET paper got leaked. We can see many YouTube videos, Telegram. So right now, what NTA is saying, that NTA also registered one case against these people, and it is under investigation. The police is investigating this. As of now, NTA is saying that the paper is not leaked. As the case is under investigation, they cannot predict anything right now. So right now they are taking, or they are considering, NTA is considering the paper didn't got leaked. Okay, so this is the one of the most important point. And another point is this grace mark. Actually, grace mark is something undigestible right now. Okay, because there are many students in the cutoff range, but only this 1500 plus students are getting grace marks, but which will affect many other students. So compensatory marks is a little challenging and undigestive. Because of that only many students are started reaching the court by opposing this action. Okay, so let's see. So whatever the your comment or situation, just comment in the comment section, and make sure you will be joining the groups also, our group also, through the link which is given in the description and comment section. Okay, all the best.